Hey YouTubers, thanks for stopping by again. I'm so appreciative of you tuning in again today. I very appreciate it very much. And today's the topic is color or black and white in street photography. Now, as you see this one photograph that I'm showing right now, it is in color. I remember years ago that, all we had was black and white. And the black and white wasn't really, I would say it was good, but not what we have today. But also, then came along color film. And I remember, everybody was jumping for joy for color film because, gee, I can see it on film as I see it in person. Well, not quite, because then the color film wasn't like it is today. Not the best. But the purpose of this is to show a photograph basically dealing with street photography. Is it better seen in color or black and white? Now, as you see this individual right here is a person going into the store on a little town, and you see the red coat, black pants, the red open sign, the windows down below behind her says open, the street number, blah blah blah. But what is really catching your eye? You're trying to focus in, I believe, on the person going into the store. That's the individual right there that you want to concentrate on. So let me ask you, is it better this way or is it better this way in black and white? Now, as you will see, the same individual going into the store, it's a little color. There's absolutely no color, of course. It is in black and white. But what your eye is focusing on could be different. It could say farm fresh or welcome. That's what my eye really zooms in on, not so much the person. Now you can change the dynamics of this through post-processing and maybe bring up the values of this person. I don't know. You can give it a try. But the idea is, through black and white, show what you're trying to emphasize what you're wanting to show. Here's another example. Now here's a picture of a man that's in full color. He was standing there looking at me. But you see him, you also see the blue sky, the white clouds, the blue of the river behind him, and the colored shirt that he has. So what is your eye actually focusing on? Is it the shirt? Is it him? Is it the sky? Is it the river? Just what? Because with the color, your eye wanders around. And the purpose of street photography is trying to zoom in on the precise item that you're trying to convey in your story. Years ago with Henri Cartier-Bresson, in his day, all he had was black and white. And he was famous for his street photography. I encourage you to get some of his books and look at it. There is very, very good study. But as storytellers, you'll want to be able to convey your message through your photograph. So pick the medium that you feel best conveys your story. Now let's look at the same picture in black and white. As you'll see, the man stands out better in the photograph being black and white. As street photographers telling your story, in my opinion, this is what you want to convey. You want to convey the man looking at the camera with a solemn look on his face. This, to me, again, in my opinion, is good street photography. You're conveying a story. You're conveying a message. Looks like this man's had some hard times. I don't know. You can see some ruffles on his skin, maybe some abrasions on his forearm there. The hands look kind of rough. He looks kind of ragged. I don't know what his story is. But with the photography, you're telling a story of human interest. This is very important. Your photography should be telling a story. Should be telling a story of human interest. Well, I want to thank you very much for stopping by today, viewing these photographs with me. I do appreciate it. And I hope you will subscribe, click that little bell so you get all updates. Tell your friends, hit that like button, and we will appreciate it very much. Leave any comments below of any views or comments about this film, what you would like to see or not see, or any comments whatsoever. It'd be most appreciated. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.